Dumbledore is gay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Quniverse. Today, at the request of... Get the frick out of here. Gosh dang. At an anonymous request, I'm going to be drawing a... Can you guess? A handsome bird guy. And what's a handsome bird guy without a handsome bird top hat? I'm gonna be giving him a top hat.
Shouldn't it be a tie?
No, why would he wear a tie?
Wouldn't he look better in a tie?
Why would a bird need a tie?
Just to look swaggy? I don't know.
Okay, so without wasting any more time, I'll just get a beat going and then we can get started. Alright everybody, that'll do it for our fancy bird guy. Ava, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and everybody else who's watching, I hope that you enjoyed also. Literally, to echo exactly what I said inside of the last video, don't shy away from leaving a comment as to what you want the next video to be about. I really appreciate it, appreciate you guys. And considering the fact that it's like 5 o'clock in the morning right now and I haven't slept yet, I'd say it's about time for me to end this video. Yeah, so until next time, serve 'em.